Robots are slowly entering every facet of our lives, including business, education, government, and homes. Robots are intended to be useful and make everyday jobs easier, but they occasionally go wrong, resulting in amusing results. Hey guys, welcome to the Robot Future and join us in today's video. We'll go over the top 10 funniest robot mistakes. Robotics is becoming a real industry with industrial automation, healthcare, military strategy, and more applications. It can be a major issue when robots fail to perform as expected. Of course, that doesn't preclude us from making light of the robot's attempts to be more human. Humans can only program robots to perform what they've been programmed to do. As shown in various industrial applications, programming can be flawless at times. However, in experimental mode, this programming can produce unsatisfactory results, and when these robots are functioning in all their glory, as efficient as they are, they certainly present a wonderful and humorous view. Here are some of the funniest robot fails you'll ever see. From robots falling over to robots simply failing, these are sure to make you laugh. First, one of the top 10 funniest robot malfunctions, we have a robot arm. 1. Robot arm. The difference between success and failure is sharp, and this one is proof of it. You'll undoubtedly enjoy it if you're a fan of robots and new era technology. A group of young men can be seen gathered around a table as the video begins. They are ready to display the operation of a robot they built, and you can tell they're thrilled about it. They created a robot arm that can pour ingredients into a blender and then switch it on to prepare a smoothie. The blender, however, does not turn on because the boys neglected to plug it in, even though the robot does an excellent job. This could have been a victory, but it ended up being a spectacular disaster. Number 2. Two Roombas in a knife fight. Roomba knife fighting is the newest sport to take the world by storm. Both Roombas are armed with blades and are attempting to pop each other's balloons in Mario Kart fight mode. It's a thrilling prospect. Furthermore, when two Roombas fight, the floor is cleaned twice as quickly. Number 3. MIT's Atlas robot falls during a challenge. At the DARPA Robotics Challenge, on a red UTV, a robot arrived. As it approached the door of a mock disaster building on the obstacle course, the car came to a halt gently. The driver, a 6'2" Atlas humanoid, sat still for several minutes. When the robot finally turned to exit the van, it shook erratically for a few seconds before leaping out and collapsing flat on its face. The team spent the night after day 1 fixing the damage caused by the broken wrist, defective encoders, and most likely their morale. When Atlas returned for its final voyage the next day, it smoothly exited the car and passed through the door. However, it lost its equilibrium halfway through the obstacle course and slammed to the ground again. Atlas from MIT did not win the challenge in the end. However, the race's failures made robots more relatable as a mechanical species. Number 4. Salad machine. The useless salad machine, which has a lot of 3D printed parts, takes on the task of tossing a salad. A set of salad serving spoons is kept in the gadget. Place the gadget over a bowl and leave it to its own devices. This appears harmless, but it's a chaotic devil in disguise. There are numerous modes on the machine. In the simple toss option, the full bowl is thrown onto the floor. The bot jumps up and down while flipping its spoons around, sending lettuce pieces flying across the counter in the second mode. The final choice is Turbo Mode, which is a more enthusiastic version of the second mode and for dramatic effect, sets the salad on fire. At least we know now that this salad machine isn't utterly useless. It'll undoubtedly make you laugh. Number 5. Spot Mini slips on the banana peel. The Spot Mini is a miniature robot giraffe that can perform various tasks, including climbing a flight of stairs, putting dishes in the dishwasher, and delivering a soda can, as seen in the video. It comes with a mechanical arm that resembles a neck and a mechanical hand that resembles a head. After falling, the bot can utilize this dexterous limb to correct itself by pushing itself up by its jaw. Boston Dynamics created the robotic dog that amusingly slips on a banana peel. The corporation has a history of producing videos like this to show what the robot dogs are capable of and can withstand. Boston Dynamics, the firm known for creating incredible robot dogs and then kicking and shoving them mercilessly, has unveiled a new 4-legged creation. They're tripping it with banana peels this time. Number 6. The Soup Robot. Simone Giertz, the queen of shitty robots on YouTube, recently decided to make two things she'd never prepare for: pumpkin soup and a robot to serve it to her. I have no idea how to make pumpkin soup, Geertz admits in her most recent video, but I'm just going to do it the same way I construct robots, which is to do it the way I think it should be done. She appears to get all the basic stages for the soup correct, but the robot is a different issue. A small elevator elevates the bowl and a paddle moves the soup spoon back and forth, according to the robot built using parts from a 3D printer. This invention is a riff on two of Geertz's earlier semi-functional creations, the beer robot and the breakfast machine, although it's a little wonkier than those. Number 7. Lipstick Robot. Geertz originally envisioned the robot as a device that would handle the user's lipstick application while focusing on other duties. Simone Geertz created a U-arm robot and gave it an open tube of lipstick to apply to her face, which was a bad idea. The U-arm is a small version of an industrial robot arm similar to automotive manufacturing. She kept a completely straight expression throughout the experiment while placing the lipstick tube on the robot's end. Even though the lipstick arm aims to apply lipstick to a specific location, Geertz's creation applies lipstick over the entire face, regardless of where it believes the mouth is. The robot tries to apply lipstick to her, but it is bad. Number 8. Wake-up machine. People have created strange alarm clocks to help them get out of bed in the morning. However, the most recent one is extremely amusing. Perhaps you've seen the alarm clock that raises the bed and allows you to slide out. There's another one that will squirt you with water. However, this most recent creation is both inventive and amusing. I constructed an alarm clock that slaps me in the face with a rubber arm in the morning, the inventor stated in the description. She used a Halloween-themed rubber arm, a modified alarm clock, a motor, and an Arduino microcontroller. The wake-up machine is the name of this alarm clock. Her hair does become a little tangled and she needs to disentangle herself most mornings. Number 9. Robot trying to ski. Several robots participated in a ski robot challenge for a grand prize of $10,000 and the opportunity to showcase Korea's robotic capabilities in a ski park just miles from Pyeongchang. The robot is a humanoid with arms, legs, and joints, and at least 50 centimeters tall to compete in the contest. Then they tackled an 80-meter alpine ski course with hazards that they had to avoid with the help of sensors and RoboVision. The robots used RoboVision to avoid and maneuver around the red flags. The majority of the ski bots struggled to dodge the flags. Others struggled to cross the finish line at all. These robots weren't exactly natural athletes, as it turned out. The robots could not function properly due to the bitterly cold temperatures in Korea, causing them to resemble little buffoons on skis. The last of the top 10 funniest robot failures came from the most famous robot ever, Asimo, who was built by Honda and was one of their first clever robots. Number 10. Asimo fails. Asimo, which stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility, was one of the robots on display. Asimo is accompanied by a Japanese woman who speaks for him. A platform stands behind them with a set of stairs leading up to it on either side and a screen behind it. Asimo slowly turns and walks away, standing around 4 feet tall with permanently bent knees and a rucksack with his arthritis cream. His first few brief steps are spot on, but as he lands his strange little foot for the 3rd time, his right knee buckles and he falls backward down the stairwell, slamming his head off the floor while rambling on about whatever. Asimo clenched a fist, but it continued to talk to the audience as robot medics hurried to the scene. Robotics failures could have serious ramifications. Some are serious, while others are hysterically funny. We hope that you enjoyed yourself while viewing these amusing videos. That's all we've got for you today, guys. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe for more entertaining content. And we'll see you again soon.